Hello, first-time coders. I've been going through some of my student scripts and I found some mistakes, some common mistakes students make during programming. So I thought it's nice to share those mistakes with you guys so that you avoid them in your coding or test or exams. So let's go straight to it. First one is with variables. So, for example, I can have x is equal to 10, and then somewhere in my code, I say something like y is equals to, and then I use capital X times 2. This will give us a name error because the variable capital letter X is unknown. You can see it is pointing to line 2. Please view our video on how to read errors in Python. So the problem is that X is not defined. The problem here is that X should be small letter because the variable X that we have declared or used earlier is small letter. So always remember that variables are case sensitive in Python. So we can come here and say print X. Okay. Then the next one is sometimes people confuse strings and variables. So if you look at our first cell here, I have x equal to 10. So if I print x, I get the value inside x. But if I say something like print x, even though, let me do it in a different way. So let me copy this one and paste it here. But instead, I would put this in quotation marks. So now if you run this, you can see I'm getting x, the character x, instead of the number inside the variable x. Okay, so if I remove the quotation marks and I run it again, now I'm getting the value inside the variable x. So in Python and many other programming languages, whenever you put something in quotation marks, as the name implies, you are trying to tell the computer to use this as a character. It's a message. I want you to save this message as it is. Much like the way you see it in newspapers, whenever they put something in quotations, they are just trying to tell you that this is exactly how the message was passed along. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So for example, now if I say z is equals to x, and if I try printing z, what do you expect me to see inside z? You guessed it. When I print this, I will get the variable, the character x. And if I if I try printing capital letter Z, I expect to get a name error because I have no variable called capital letter Z. Thank you for watching and see you next time.